Köster Flex 200 is a permanently plastic waterproofing compound for sealing pipe and cable penetrations. The material can be installed on dry, moist, and wet surfaces as well as against pressurized water. The material is conveniently delivered in 600 milliliter aluminum tubular bags. Warm the Köster Flex 200 prior to application by placing it in warm water at temperatures between 35 to 40 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the Köster special caulking gun with the adapter and rubber nozzle for use with tubular bags. Clean the pipe penetration as well as cables with an abrasive scrubbing pad or a brush. Before applying Köster Flex 200, install a backing in the penetration at a depth corresponding to the installation depth. Open the previously warmed Köster Flex 200 tubular bag from one end and place inside the Köster special caulking gun. Köster Flex 200 must be dimensioned so that the ratio of the depth to the width of the installed material is not below 1.5 to 1. The minimum installation depth should not be less than 8 centimeters. The Köster Flex 200 compound is pressed into the penetration from back to front, avoiding air entrapments. Move the cables to reveal voids and repress the Köster Flex 200 into any spaces or voids created. Ensure that the cable is tension-free after installation. Finally, the waterproofing compound is recessed 1 to 5 centimeters from the wall surface and smoothed with a metal spatula. As an additional safeguard and to hold the pipe or cable centered, the exposed material is covered with Köster Fix 5. For the subsequent installation of a new cable, remove the mortar with a hammer and chisel. Remove coarse residual material by hand. Open a gap for the new cable using a pointed rod or pipe and guide the new cable through the penetration. Seal the opened gap again with Köster Flex 200. Install the material evenly, manually or with a spatula, and recover it with Köster Fix 5. When installing against pressurized water, Köster Flex 200 is quickly pressed into the penetration from back to front. Köster Flex 200 must be dimensioned so that the ratio of the depth to the width of the installed material is not below 1.5 to 1. The minimum depth should not be below 8 centimeters. Install the material uniformly, per hand or with a spatula, and cover it with Köster Fix 5. Köster Flex 200 is also suitable for sealing annular ring areas between pipe penetrations and the structure. Clean the area around the pipe penetration and the structure with an abrasive scrubbing pad or a brush. Install a backing rod in the penetration at a depth corresponding to the installation depth. Install the material in a depth to width ratio of 1.5 to 1, but not less than 8 centimeters. Install the Köster Flex 200 using the Köster special caulking gun with a nozzle for narrow spaces. Press the material in evenly, manually or with a spatula, and cover the installation with Köster Fix 5. Köster Flex 200 can be used for custom detail waterproofing solutions against moisture, pressurized water, and even certain gases. Köster Flex 200 can be installed on concrete, masonry, mortar, plaster, and all other mineral construction materials. Köster Flex 200, the permanently plastic sealing compound for the fast, easy, and reliable waterproofing of pipe and cable penetrations, as well as for custom detail waterproofing solutions against moisture and pressurized water.